This video was produced with the assistance of 4 AI tools: Midjourney for generating cool images, DID for animating and providing a voiceover, ChatGPT for converting my draft into a correct video script, and VidIQ for creating an optimized title, description, tags, and hashtags for YouTube SEO. Let me show you how I did it. Tool 1. Midjourney. Step 1. Open Midjourney to create a character for your video. If you don't know how to use it, watch my tutorial video about Midjourney, link in the video description. Step 2. Generate an image using Midjourney version 4, beta upscaler, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. You can copy my prompt from the video description. Select the best image, upscale it, and save it to your computer. Tool 2. DID. Step 1. Go to d-id.com and register using your Google, Facebook, or email account. Step 2. Click Create Video and then Add to upload your character image. Step 3. Add your script, select the language, voice actor, and style. After setting everything up, click Generate Video and wait for the generation process to complete. Step 4. Play and check your video. If everything looks good, download your video. Tool 3. VidIQ. Step 1. Open your VidIQ extension. If you don't have one, you can install it in your browser, link in the video description. Step 2. Ask VidIQ AI to make your title more SEO friendly. You can ask for multiple options and choose the best one. Step 3. Ask VidIQ AI to create a video description from your new title. Step 4. Ask VidIQ AI to check refs for the best keywords to create tags for your video. Step 5. Ask VidIQ AI to create hashtags for your video. Copy them all to Notepad. Step 6. Don't forget to say thank you. Tool 4. ChatGPT. Create a draft script for your video and ask ChatGPT to create a production script for you. Tool 5. Audacity. Step 1. Open Audacity to record the text-to-speech voice. If you don't know how to record website audio, watch my tutorial video about this, link in the video description. Step 2. Open d-id.com again and paste the video script generated by ChatGPT. Choose the language, voice artist, and style. Play the script and record the voice with Audacity. After completing all the steps, combine the video and audio and upload it to YouTube. Use all the AI-generated title, description, and tags. Congratulations! You have just created an AI-generated YouTube video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more AI tips. See you in the next video.